Thank you for joining us on Black Investments Matter. I'm Antoine Anderson. Welcome to our series on Form 1010C, the Small Business Administration's business plan template. And we're going to go over each question. Stay tuned. Having a well-defined business plan is your invitation or ticket to the world of financial assistance in both banking or through a grant program. Having this completed will open doors that you would not have otherwise been able to open. And we're going to take this series as a tool to go through each question on this form so that you can effectively get everything right the first time through. Section 4 of your business plan is the products and services piece. Offering or detailing what you're going to be offering in your business as a way to create revenue is the most important thing to a potential backer or somebody who's going to grant you some money or loan you some money, because they're interested in how you're going to pay them back. Now, with that, you have to have a detailed plan of attack of how you're going to differentiate yourself from anybody else in that field. If you are in one of those saturated industries, let's say hair products, for instance, or t-shirt. Let's go with t-shirt, right? Anybody and their mom can come out with, a different slogan to put on a t-shirt. How do you differentiate yourself from the thousands of others who bought the same heat press that you purchased? In my case, I am going into a field that is less saturated. This is the IT support, walk-in store. Yeah, I've done a lot of business over the phone, remote support. I've even done house calls. But at this stage in the game, I'm realizing that I'm not built for this no more. I'm not trying to get out and go meet you where you at. This world has changed. So my product services have to change as well. In addition to that, I want you to bring your PC to me. I'm not going to go looking for you. With that stated, in my community in particular, there's not a whole lot of places you can go. People have phone repair spots, and you might pay X amount of dollars for that. But I've detailed the different ways that I'm going to offer value to a potential customer base in my business plan. Things that I have, executed over time, and that's what you want to focus on in your line of expertise. Do not settle for generic answers. Really take time in this section to figure out what it is that you're trying to do and what you're offering that makes you a step or cut above your competition.